Yo, Bugs, want to take a walk with me? Cut across in the Shah squat. Wow, look at them plants. That is Ballia savan, we just call it Ballia savan. You can use that for inflammation, broken bones, fractures, and all them things there. See, this is the same one. Down there, variegated. And this is the normal one. All the seeds, you crush them, add some salt and some blue soap, and you make a potion, like a compress, and put it on your skin and wrap it around wherever that's broken or whatever, and it will help to heal the broken limb. What else we got there? Let's go. That is soap. That is soap bush. You just use that when you go by the river. You can use that to bathe. Somebody tell me they used to eat the ripe ones. Actually tasty, dog. Actually tasting nice. Actually tasted nice. I never eat it before. But the fucking thing actually. There's all these little seeds in it. Tasty, tasty. But yeah, we used to use it as soap when we was younger. And when you go in the Zion, and you go up in the bush, and you have to sweep around the hut, around the house in the Zion. You can use that bush, or you can use the Ballia savan, like what I mentioned there just now. Nature therapy for the nature lovers. Hope you like it. And guys, don't forget to check out Sly's Oils and Butters on Google. That's SLY_S Oils and Butters. Okay, boom. We got all your local oils, skin care, hair care, joint pain, muscle pain, massages, you name it. PCOS treatments and all. We have the castor oil, coconut oil, turmeric oil, nutmeg oil, to name a few. Ferns. It's a type of fern I think you can eat something in the root, but I don't know which one. It's making a ball in the root and you can eat it. I see them Asians eating it. But I don't think we have that type of fern there. It's a special type of fern, I think. I think. All these plants have medical purposes, you know, guys. That is almond, zaman. Not the almond you know in the store in America, but this is almond, Dominica, Caribbean almond, zaman. We call it zaman. I'm gonna see if I get one to boost, to pop on the ground. We're just taking a little walk in the nature. Let's see if I get the almond to pong there. I can show all you what the Caribbean almond looking like. Upon my finger. Boom. See that shit? You see that shit, man? Almond. Zaman. The Caribbean we call it Zaman. Almond. Yeah. No, but not many of the Caribbean countries just check that, you know. Because the one time I went to Barbados and I remember I was sprung in almond on the tree in Barbados by the road and my girlfriend was pulled up there. And somebody, them fellas was passing checking about what happening there, you know, like what we doing. You never know people eating that. Yeah. But it's very nice. It's very, very nice. This is cinnamon spice tree. This is where the spice bark come from. As kids we used to do, eat that, put that in our mouth as spice. It's very spicy. Very spicy, my friends. So this is the shortcut from one road to the next, so that you can evade police. You know? Yeah. That's why we just run on me, do crime. I just fucking around. I don't do crime no way. I'm a sin. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at this motherfucker. It's the crabs. This is a soldier crab. Soldier crab, guys. Alright. This is the end of my tour. And this is a plantain field. Plantain field. And that's the big spice tree where the back of the spice come from. The spice. Cinnamon rolls. That's where cinnamon curls come from. You scratch it up like that. And then you take a knife and you dig out the skin. And you have fresh cinnamon. That's how we do it in the Caribbean. Get it fresh from the tree. This is a cocoa bean tree. Cocoa, coffee. That's a coffee bean tree right there, this one. I'm sure if you can see them little red things in the top there. Some coffee beans, yeah boy. Fresh coffee, pick that. Put it to dry for 2 days or put it in your frying pan and dry it. And then peel it, crush it. And you have fresh, cool coffee. Nescafe. Yeah, father. Hope you all enjoyed the tours, you all. Take care. Appreciate you all pulling up. Like, follow, share for more of this kind of content. I'm out.